Another interesting AI tool is here. Relight. It's relighting the scene with AI technology. It's very easy. Actually, it's defined the image in 3D in depths, and it's identify the far or the near light, and you can simply change them. Okay, as you can see here, we have sliders that separate to brightness near, brightness far, and the depths. It's detected the depths. And warmth near and warmth far. Far, near. Okay, let's increase the number of brightness near. You can see we have brightness at the near. Interesting. Interesting. Or brightness at the far. You can make it 0 or bright. Make it a 0. And now if you 100% in the brightness at the near and negative 100% the brightness at far, it's dark, you can see depths. This shadow here is a depths. It's identified the depths, and from this line is near, and from this line to that way is a far. You can define in this way. Okay, come back. So you learn it. It's very easy. You can change the near and the far and the depths. Nice. You can warmth the near color here, warmth near color, or warmth the far color. Interesting. It's the far color, the far. From the camera, you can do it. Halo. If we have, you can see going off this. Catalog. Again, this. Let's try this. We want to relight it. The halo is around the object. You can dehalo it. Near. Far. Yeah, it's detected there. There is a depth. Depth is somewhere there. Far brightness. Yeah, we can change the far. We can see the halo a little bit here, and you can dehalo there. Okay, you can see. So you have to try with different images. Interesting. So it's very easy. It's AI tool and detecting the depths of your image. Interesting. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.